And we are today documenting the periodical cicadas from northern Illinois. And they will be taking us on a tour today. For all of you out there who don't know it, what are we doing? Cicadas.
Hunting.
We're going to open the door. As you can tell, it's pretty quiet.
The year is?
The year is? Tell them what the year is.
Year 3000.
1985.
2007. June what?
17.
June 17th.
My birthday's on the 19th.
Oh, we're going to open the door, and you can hear them already as we open the door. Go ahead, open the door, Josh. There we go. Hear that? Unbelievable. So let's go outside. So you can hear them now. And we're not even near the trees yet. So Kayla, tell us what you know about the cicadas.
They look like dogs.
They're related to the shrimp.
They're really related to the shrimp?
Yeah.
Yeah? What else? Do they come out every year?
No, every 70 years. And when they come out as a white cicada.
A white cicada?
Yeah.
Where do they come out from?
Exoskeleton.
Oh yeah?
They crawl out as gnats.
Oh yeah? And then what do they do?
They go up on the trees and shed their exoskeleton.
Well, let's go more into the trees and hear them closer.
Look, a cicada. 2 cicadas, look. Look at those 2 big cicadas.
Let's take a look at the first cicadas.
Oh, there's one.
Here's a dead cicada.
Dad, there's one on you.
And they're flying all over the place here.
I think it's in my shoe. Okay, no.
What kind of reporters are you? One just got into my face.
Both on your shirt.
It's on my shirt there.
Shirt.
See that? I got 2 on my shirt. Check that out.
Where's the camera?
Where's
the camera?
Is it on me?
No. All right, come on. Let's look at some of the exoskeletons.
What?
Kayla, you're supposed to be doing this. Come on.
I don't want to be doing this.
Come on.
I'm not the cameraman.
Is there a cicada on me?
Yeah.
Get off.
Come here. Here. Okay, Josh, come on, point out what's going on here at the tree.
Here's another one.
Come on. Josh. All right. Here we got a tree here. And this is just a small amount of cicadas compared to some of the other trees. And what they're doing here is they're crawling up. Bouncing all over the place. See them there? And this is nothing. They're all... There's a cicada. Right there. Oh my goodness. We're documenting kids. And what do they do?
Taking pictures. Which one? I don't want to pick them off. Not anymore. All these cicadas are freaking me out. There's so many.
Okay. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
Yes.
Hey, little buddy. They got red eyes. What color eyes do they have, Kayla?
Gold, white, and blue.
How many have blue eyes?
One.
One of every, how many?
A million.
Wow. Can we find one with blue eyes? See how loud they get? It's not even loud compared to
Daddy, there's one right there. Grab it. Daddy, flick it off.
well, so much for a fun outing. So much for a fun documentary. Yes, our kids are real nature-loving kids.
It's in my shirt!
The brave cicada journalist.
You're too much.
You guys are so brave, especially that crying one there.
Here. Don't let him out. Don't let him out. Hold it.
Our cicada.